Hello everyone, welcome back to the weekly market updates. I'm S.Khadgawat. This week markets have showed a blend of resilience and volatility. Although for the whole of the week we have continued our upward trajectory, but today at the end of the week market have showed a little bit of retracement. It seems that market participants have decided to take on some profits and decided to go light before entering into a major event, the Budget 2024. The Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman is going to deliver the budget on 23rd of July. And the sectors that are going to be in focus are railway, rural economy, agriculture, infrastructure and housing finance. And it is going to be very interesting to see how the Finance Minister is going to strike a balance between the growth and the welfare. जहां इस हफ्ते बैंक निफ्टी एक नैरो रेंज में ट्रेड करता हुआ नजर आया और वीक ऑन वीक बेसिस पे न्यूट्रल से पॉजिटिव टोन के साथ बहुत ही नॉमिनल गेन्स के साथ क्लोज होता हुआ दिखा। वहीं निफ्टी 50 ने अपनी अपवर्ड ट्रेजेक्टरी को जारी रखा और अपना ऑल टाइम हाई दैट इज 24,800 प्लस लेवल्स को टच करके रिट्रेस्ड एंड क्लोज्ड विद अ वेरी नॉमिनल गेन्स ऑफ 0.15% एट द एंड ऑफ द वीक. On the other hand, broader indices including mid cap and small cap indexes have witnessed more sell off and they have closed with the negative gains of 2 to 3% on the week on week basis. This week again, IT has come up as the best performing among the sectors and clocked more than 6% of gains week on week basis. The IT giant Infosys has come up with stellar results and set the tone for Indian IT sector, and also the expected interest rate cut in US along with the expected weakening of US dollar has fueled the rally in IT sector in India. Among the sectors, metals have performed the worst and they have clocked the negative gains of more than 6% throughout the week. The race of US presidential nomination heats up as the Democrats are extending pressure over Biden to withdraw his nomination, and at the same time, Donald Trump getting more and more support as a Republican nominee. In another event, the European Central Bank has decided to keep unchanged their interest rate in the July meeting. Like previous week, this week also, the US indices has chosen an opposite trajectory, where Dow Jones has clocked positive gains of 1.62%, whereas Nasdaq has clocked the negative gains of more than 3.8%. Nasdaq में नेगेटिव रिटर्न्स का रीजन रहा चिप मेकिंग कंपनीज में मेजर सेल ऑफ, जो कि आया बिडेन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के इस कमेंट्स के बाद that they are planning to put severe restriction on US companies to export the raw material and the machinery for chip making to the China. And at the same time, the comments from Trump regarding Taiwan has further escalated the sell-off. This week, gold has touched its all-time high and then retraced back and gave all the gains that it accumulated throughout the week and closed at flat. वहीं सिल्वर में मेजर सेल ऑफ देखा गया और इस हफ्ते सिल्वर 3.4% नेगेटिव बंद हुआ. ब्रेंट क्रूड मोर और लेस फ्लैट रहा और $84.85 के प्राइस के साथ बंद हुआ. So FIs have continued their buying spree and bought almost 13,000 crore rupees of stocks in the cash market, whereas DIOs were net seller and sold around 3,000 crore rupees of stocks in cash market. Now FIs are sitting with all-time high positions on indices with more than 4 lakh net long contracts. The Indian government have decided to increase the windfall tax to the tune of 7,000 rupees per ton from 6,000 rupees previously and effective from 16th of July. The Indian trade deficit has increased by almost 1 billion this month as compared to the previous month and now stood at $20.98 billion. इंडिया का होलसेल इन्फ्लेशन 3.4% पर आया, जो कि पिछले 16 महीनों में सबसे अधिक है, पर फिर भी यह एक्सपेक्टेड से थोड़ा कम रहा. Domestic air passenger has increased to 5.76% on year-on-year basis, and Indigo has claimed the maximum market cap with 80.6 lakh passengers this year. Now a good news for IT freshers, as TCS has decided to onboard almost 40,000 new recruits for this current financial year. एक बार फिर से पेटीएम सेबी के रडार में आ गया है और सेबी ने उन्हें एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वार्निंग दी है बिकॉज ऑफ एंटरिंग इनटू अ ट्रांजैक्शन विद अ ग्रुप एंटिटी विदाउट टेकिंग द अप्रूवल ऑफ द बोर्ड. दिस इज इट फॉर द वीक. वी विल कम अप विद मोर सच इंटरेस्टिंग अपडेट्स नेक्स्ट वीक. Till that time, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.